So, you want to know how to do subtitles, huh? Well, you've come to the right place. First, you want to press T, create a text box, type something. Scale it out over whatever you're trying to subtitle. Go to Effect Controls. You want to go to your text area, your text editing spot. Center it. That's kind of important. So whenever you are moving it around, the anchor point is in the center of the text. And you hold Control. You can line it up in the center and put it wherever you like. Typically, I like to keep it around right here. This is where most people, you know, keep the subtitle. Next, you want to pick a font by pressing T, clicking your text. Make sure fill is on white or whatever color you want to do. If you wanted to do like red for a bad guy, you could do red. I like to do white for myself though. You want to check the checkbox next to stroke, switch this to black. I like to use 12. It looks nice. You can't see it right now, of course, because the background's black, but you get what I'm saying. Then you could add a little bit of shadow on there if you want, and that should be all right. Make shadow a little darker. I typically go for a black shadow, but you do you. Next, you want to right click, save preset, save this as whatever you want to name it. I like to use blank, click OK. Now, if you want the pop-in effect, you want to go back to your text and click the little time watch thingy next to scale. You want to go forward about 4 frames. You want to put another keyframe, and then forward 3 more and put another one. Your first keyframe, you'll switch the scale to 70. Your second one, 110. If your last one is 100. Then you want to do the same thing. Right click, save preset, except this time you want to anchor to endpoint, and then you can name it whatever you want. I normally name it main and put in parentheses pop in. And that's pretty much it for creating presets. So if you're starting from the beginning, you got all your presets made, you'll do the same thing as the beginning of the video. You press T, create a text box, except this time you'll delete the text, drag the blank graphic layer over whatever you want to subtitle, and then you want to cut it up for whatever parts you want to subtitle. Once you have your blank graphic layer cut up in the spots that you want subtitled, you'll then highlight all of them, or the ones that you want to bounce, and drag your preset on there. And then you end up with this. Now, if you want to do something like how Meaty Marley's subtitles are done, or like big time YouTuber subtitles are done, you'll do something like this. You'll select the graphic layer that is at the beginning of a sentence, and it's not connected to other graphics layers. You'll drag the pop-in one, then you'll take all the ones that are a continuation of a sentence and drag the blank layer, and then you end up with this.
Let's go, baby.
But it'll look like this once you're done and the text has changed.
Let's go, baby.
Well, typo. So of course the next step now is to just go through at every single graphic layer that you cut up and change the text. Then this should be the end result.
Let's go, baby.
Hey, my game crashed per usual. I will drag her out by her nipples.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video did help you out in any way, shape, or form, be sure to leave a like. It helps me out a lot. It helps me smash that YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to check out my other content. I do gaming funny moments videos mostly. Yeah, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification icon, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.